Hi guys, welcome back to another unboxing. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. On this channel we do makeup and beauty subscription unboxings, mystery bags, clothing hauls, and vlogs. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your support is greatly appreciated. So I hope you guys had a wonderful 4th of July. I did not do a clothing haul this weekend so that we could all enjoy our families and things like that, but I will be putting up Walmart and Target clothing hauls. If you are new to Boxy Charm Premium is their $35 a month subscription box. You do receive 6 to 7, I believe, full-size items, and you do get to customize 1 to 2 items. I believe they just switched it to 2 items. So yeah, there's that. And then I also have add-ons. So if you are interested in how add-ons work, what I got for add-ons, and what I got for my premium variation, then please stay tuned. Alright guys, like I said, this is the premium box, and we will open her up, and inside the box it does usually say premium. Then here's the sneak peek. You do always get a card with, you do get a card with all of the items listed back here with the prices and your variation number. So let's go ahead and see what we got. My hair's doing its own thing today, and I'm totally just letting it because it is so flippin' hot outside. Whoa, like I don't even care. But I do want to share my like $2 earrings from Shein. If you haven't seen the Shein haul, you should go check it out. All about jewelry. I have one dedicated just to jewelry. Alright, so here is what we got inside. Alright, the first item that I'm going to pull out is this eye cream. So this is, I do not even know how to say this. Don't know. Has too many double letters. Alright, this is $39. So this little product right here pays for the box and then some, because this is the $35 box and this is $39. So this eye cream contains quinoa extract, forget it. Vitamin C, which reduces dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. I'm all about a good eye cream. You guys know that. Eye cream is my thing. It's sealed, so I don't want to open it because I am currently working on a cream that I haven't run out yet. But this $39. Alright, next we got, I don't know if this is the brand name, Floss, I guess. It's Floss. Lip and cheek tint. Ooh, how fun. How fun! Oh, this is nice. Look at that. Nice big size there. What does it say? Oh, in the color sandals. Just what we need for summer. Oh, okay. I thought it was a pop off, but it's not. Okay, let's see. Alright, you get a pretty good, decent amount here. Let's swatch that on thy skin. Oh yeah, very pigmented. I love it. Oh, that's very nice. So sometimes I don't personally like to use lip and cheek tint when they do both because they're a little bit greasy and I don't really necessarily want that greasiness on my cheeks. But if you look up close at this, it has a slight shimmer there, but it is definitely more of a cream. So I like this. How much is this guy? Let's see. $22 for that. Okay, very happy with my box so far. Alrighty, the Natasha Denona Pure Vanishing Matte Foundation. I believe this was a choice item. I got this in the color 31W Light to Medium Warm. I am a fairly light complected Hispanic gal. So here is what that tube looks like. I know this has got to be pricey. This is $45 and it has the pump. So I love having the pumps because I feel like you can control it a little bit better. Let's go ahead and put that on the skin. Okay, here is that. Ooh, it is a little bit watery. I'm not used to that, but that's okay. Let's just see. Ooh, that's kind of, I mean, was I supposed to shake well or something? Oh, yeah. Clear as day, shake well. That's okay. We're here for it. We're going to give it a try. It looks a little bit orange for my skin. However, let's keep rubbing that in and see what it does. Wow, a little goes a long way. Yeah, you know, it is, I don't think it's horrible. I think I can make this work. I mean, yeah, I wish I would have chose just a little bit lighter color, but actually, you know what, this is really nice. It dried down very like powder. It feels nice. I really like that. I really like that. And if you can kind of see, it did cover a little bit like of my tattoo, which I think that means it's a nice coverage, at least for me. So there was that guy. What did I say it was? $45. All right, next we've got the Zoeva Pure something lip clear massage. What? Liquid lipstick. That's all I know. Clear. Oh, the color is clear massage. It didn't make sense to me when I was reading that top line. But here we go. And then here is the color. Oh, that is gorgeous. Yes, I'm all about this color. Ooh, very pretty. Let's check out the applicator. Okay, oh, I actually really like that applicator. I feel like you could just go like that. All right, let's find a part of the skin that doesn't have concealer on it. Ooh, very nice. That's gorgeous. Okay, now I'm liking this box and I'm gonna pause and tell you why, because we are getting stuff that all goes together. We got foundation, we got blush and lip tint, and then we've got this lipstick, or you know, lippy, and then we also got to prep our skin for the under eyes. So this box so far is it has all of my attention, if that makes sense. All right, the next thing is, what is this? Environmental Shield City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. I hope this is not the same thing that I'm currently using. It looks a lot the same. Oh, yeah, okay. So I do already have one of these. I got this last month, but now that I remember correctly, I did get an email from Boxy that said I was going to be getting a duplicate item from a previous box, and so they had given me a $12 credit to use in add-ons, which is why I bought add-ons and why I wanted to show the add-ons in this video. So this is a really good product, you guys. I'm currently using it. I love it. It works well. It's very moisturizing. It doesn't have it doesn't have a scent really at all, and it has the pump here. The only problem I found with the pump is once it goes low, like it doesn't have a straw to bring it from the bottom up, so you do kind of have to I just use one of those makeup spatulas and roll, you know, move it around in there so I can pump it. And then of course when it gets too low to even do that, I'll just use the spatula to bring it out. So the pump is a nice idea. It just doesn't work well, you know, the lower that it goes. But other than that, I have no complaints, and that's not even really a complaint. It's just like a inconvenience, you know. This is, where is this Murad? $74. Like I said, a great, awesome product to have in your makeup collection. All right, the next thing, this was a choice item. This is the Christine Dominique Transition Palette. Now, this is a brand new release for this brand, for Christine Dominique, which I was excited and surprised to see in our boxes just because it is so brand new. She does work with Boxy and Ipsy, but I was just shocked to see this palette in there. So let me open this up. Look at how gorgeous this is. And she always puts like positive affirmations on her mirrors or on her packaging. So on the mirror it says keep life simple. I know you could see some writing there. And then look at how gorgeous this palette is. It is an all matte palette, but I'm perfectly fine with that because it's gorgeous. I mean, it's okay. We're gonna try these two colors here. Let's go ahead and swatch that. Ooh, very lightly went in. I'm gonna put that on the foundation here so we can get an idea. Oh, very nice, very good. So you do have to probably build it up a little bit. I do feel like it might be a little bit powdery. I'm okay with that because you just you can still build it up, worst case scenario. So let's go ahead and do the recap of the box before I get into the add-ons. So we got the full-size palette, we've got the Murad face cream, Natasha Denona foundation, the lip balm and cheek balm, the eye cream. So we do, I feel like I'm missing something. The Zoeva fell on the ground. Okay, so we got all 6 of these items for $35. I think this was an amazing box. Like, thank you, because the last premium or the luxe box did not have my attention, if that's a word. Let's go ahead and move into add-ons. So here are the add-ons. They do ship them separately. If you're new here to this subscription, they have a add-on when choice pops up, like when you go to choose your items for your next box. They also have an add-ons shop that opens up and you get items at a fairly large discount. They have things that start from $3 all the way up, and you can get things that if you didn't get them in your box, then you can add them to your add-ons, and you still earn points for reviewing those, but like I said, they will ship separately. Here's what I got in add-ons. So since I didn't get this was part of the base choice variation. I don't know for sure if it was a choice item, but it was in the base box. Well, I don't get a base box this month because I get the upgrade to the luxe box, and I saw that they had this palette. This is the OPV Beauty Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette, and look how gorgeous she is. Like, holy moly, I'm here for all of these beautiful colors. Like, let's just swatch these two blue ones here. Ooh, look at that. All right, let's see how it looks on thy skin. Oh, they're a little light. So I have heard you do need to build this palette up. So I'm interested to give it a try and play around with it. There was that. Then I thought these were gorgeous. I could not pass these up. These were only $4 on add-on, and they are the Illuminati Gel Paint Electric Pink and Gel Paint Electric Blue eyeshadows. So let's swatch those babies. Here are the pens. Look how gorgeous. Let's see what those tops look like. Ooh, very nice. They look like they're gonna glide on nice and easy. And I thought, you know, for $4, they're basically $2 each. Oh, those work nice. Wow. Amazing. Oh yeah. I was just super excited to get these. I'm so glad I got him. And then because I did get the credit for a duplicate item, I did get the Jubilee palette from Natasha Denona, and I also wanted, I'll insert a photo here. So when I went to check out, something weird had happened. I wasn't sure if I was gonna get this palette that I put a picture of and the Jubilee palette, because in my basket it looked like it was there, but then when I actually checked out, it told me that this palette was sold out. So I was like, so did I get it or did I not? I'm pretty sure that, because it was weird how it said, it was weird the way that it happened. And if you know BoxyCharm, like everybody's in there all at the same time, you're rushing through trying to check out, and I didn't end up getting it. I ended up getting 2 of these which is fine. So I decided that I definitely want to ship one of these out to a friend of mine who has been a huge support on my YouTube channel. Her name is Bling Girl. If you don't know her, you should check her out. She does lifestyle, clothing hauls, you know, a day in her life, very interesting things. She's very fun, and she has a great sense of style of putting her outfits together in her hauls. So I would love for you guys to go check her out, let her know that I sent you. And Bling Girl, if you are watching, I am going to gift you this palette since I received an extra one. So I will be reaching out to you to send that to you. But for now, let's go ahead and take a look, and we will swatch it up. Look how gorgeous that is. Of course, we got to try this shimmery green color and the shimmery yellow colors. Ooh, look at those. And let's put those here. Oh, very nice. Look at how pretty. Like, the camera is not doing it justice. And obviously I got some pink in there somehow with all of our swatches going on. So yes, please let me know what your variation was. Let me know, did you get your box late like I did? And did you also get a duplicate item where they gave you a $12 credit? Let me know down below. If you are new, please comment and say hi. I love hearing from you guys. And if you are returning, I love to hear from you guys too, just to know that you're still hanging out and still around. And since I'm not able to do giveaways at this point in time because I don't have a lot of subscribers, I'm thinking about doing something like what I'm sending to Bling Girl for her support. I would definitely love to send something out to you supporters who have been here for me since the beginning. I do very much appreciate all of those things, and I want to show that. So please comment down below if you are interested in the type of things that I do around her. Okay, anyway, you guys have a great great rest of your week. We will talk to you in our next video. Bye!